Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we'll be reacting to this girl sneezing with her eyes open. So, let's watch.
So, this is my sister, Kaylin, and
Kaylin.
she sneezes
Like
with
the
her eyes
same,
open.
almost the same name as my name.
So, we're making a video to demonstrate.
She's gotta make sure she looks good. She gotta make sure, okay?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Don't laugh at me. It's going to be funny.
What's she sniffing? Melatonin?
Okay, here it comes. Look at me, Kaylin.
I hate when you're doing that. You're gonna sneeze. She's like, and you don't sneeze, but watch. She's gonna do it. See, she did it. She did it. She did that. I hate when that happens.
Let's go, move.
Oh, there's more. I thought there was only one girl. Yo. Yo, she looks like a demon. She look at the camera. Yo. She had it normal. Oh. She did. Okay. So, this was the people sneezing with their eyes open video.